It was a dad that was arrested after blocking a trans woman. No, 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 no. After blocking a former, a trans man from entering the women's locker room, standing in the front of the door and saying, "My daughter is in there." So, they've been doing this lately, man. They think that stuff like this is cool. And I'm going to tell you right now, if I have a daughter and she's in the restroom and I see a man, I don't give a damn what you identify as. I see a man walking up to put his hands on that door like he about to go in, somebody going to sleep for good. No, no, for real. Somebody is honestly going to sleep, man. I don't play like that. Yeah, I don't give a damn what you do in your own house or whatever. Cool. If you choose to be, I don't know what they call it now, what, gay, homosexual. I don't know. I know a lot of people are offended by some of those things. I don't care what you do inside of your home, but the moment you start to think that it's okay for you to go in a doggone room or bathroom with my daughter or whatever, I'm just gonna have to put my hands on you, man. I'm gonna have to put my hands on you, and then we'll just deal with the consequences a little bit later. So I could not find footage of this, but I did see something that was similar to this incident, right? And this actually happened with a black father. All right, so y'all buckle up. This happened with a black father. I'm watching all this stuff.
Make sure everybody in here. Hello? See?
This video is going viral around the world. His 5-year-old daughter is afraid to go to the public restroom and asks her father to see if anyone is inside.
Make sure nobody in here.
The father just wants to make sure that his daughter is not in any danger.
Hello?
When suddenly a man appears from around the corner, apparently waiting in the women's restroom.
No, this is the women's bathroom, right? Sorry.
The father makes it clear to him that it is the women's bathroom. But now he panics and his father instinct kicks in.
That's why you gotta go in here with your kids. Let me make sure nobody else ain't in here. Let me make sure.
And now he is aware of the whole
You
situation
gotta go in there with your kids. Make sure no man in the damn bathroom.
and goes out again, showing that the men's room is just on the opposite side. He still can't understand why the man seemed to be waiting in the women's bathroom. And asked the following question on Instagram: what would you have done in my situation?
Okay, so let me. We're gonna crash out first. All right, we're gonna crash out first, then we're gonna bring that thing back. All right. If I see a man in a woman's locker room and my daughter, I don't know, I'm guessing the daughter went in first, and it had to be. There's no way in the world a young girl just said, "Can you make sure what?" If I see a dude walk around that corner and your boy was smiling, you smile. Oh boy. I'm about to. Hey, man, listen. I'm about to rock somebody going to sleep. Somebody going to sleep. And listen. I'm gonna drag you out by your feet, put you in the grass. You know what I'm saying? Try to prop your head up or whatever. So when you wake up and you come to, you gonna be good. But you sitting in that mother loving bath in the women's bathroom and did not come around the corner. If y'all pay attention, he didn't come around the corner till he said, "Hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me see if anybody is in here." Then your boy walked around the corner. Boy, hey, I'm talking about, hey, boy, we'd have been at the doggone batting station. I'm talking about, yeah, he would have got cleaned up, bro. Ain't no way in the world, man. Yo, that's your daughter. That's your daughter. The brother handled this situation a little bit differently, right? Because he did. Hey, yo, you do realize this is the women's bathroom, right? Nah, fam. I probably would have been doing a little bit more talking with my hands. I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you. You sitting in, and that's a big dude, bro. You are a grown man. Use the bathroom outside. I mean, the men's locker room was just right. I don't understand why in the world you ain't just going to the men's bathroom. Like, why in the world are you here? Nah. And it looks like, I don't know if she's a cheerleader or whatever. You're out here, and they probably have some games or whatever going on. You know and understand that children are probably using these Nah, fam. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and knock you right on about them headphones. He definitely handled it better than I would have, because yeah, nah, I ain't nah. You're a little bit too nice, my boy. You're a little bit too nice. Pay attention.
Make sure nobody in.
Pay attention.
Hello? See?
This video is going...
What? Man, look, the daughter looking, man, hey, the daughter looking at her pop's like, maybe this gonna come out. We gonna call your mama. Call your mama. Tell her it's gonna be probably about 1,000 for them to get me out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna have to. Hey, you going to sleep, brother. You going to sleep. Go ahead and turn around. I do not want you to see this. Turn around. Hey, bro, let me holler at you real quick. I would have shut that door. Go ahead and use the bathroom. No, you got to use the bathroom. Go ahead and use the bathroom. I'm gonna talk to this brother real quick. I don't think he really understands that this is the women's locker room. So I'm gonna ask him a question. You know what I'm saying, before we get into all of this. Go ahead. You good? Hold on. Let me check and make sure ain't nobody else in here. Okay. Cool. Hey, bro, let me holler at you real quick. Hey, you do realize that's the women's locker room, right? I mean the women's bathroom, right? Yeah. So why are you in there? Why are you using it? Give me the wrong answer. It take too long. Bop! Go to sleep, man. Go to sleep, brother. You know better. Hey, it is what it is. I'm going to have to put you to sleep. It's all good. Don't worry about it. You'll wake up in about a good 10, 15, 30 minutes, well rested, and we're going to go on about our doggone business. But yeah, that ain't
viral around the world. His 5-year-old daughter is afraid to go to the public restroom and asks her father to see if anyone is inside.
Make sure nobody in.
The father just wants to make sure that his daughter is not in any danger.
Hello?
When suddenly a man appears from around the corner, apparently waiting in the women's restroom.
No, this is women's bathroom, right?
The father makes it clear to him that it is...
Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. I'm sorry too, man. I'm sorry too. I'm sorry that this is about to happen to you. It is what it is. Dang, I'm sorry. This about to be crazy. Sleep. Y'all let me know though, man. What do you guys think about this situation if you were in this situation? Guys, if you're in this situation, you are a father. I know it's a lot of people out there that ain't got kids. I'm just saying, if you were a father, you were in this situation. Your 5-year-old daughter is afraid to use the bathroom because she don't know if somebody in there, and out walks a guy that looks like he's about 6'1", 6'2", 250 to 270 something pounds. How you gonna handle that situation? Like what's gonna go? Man, I don't even know how to get it out. How would you handle this situation? I'm just curious, right? I'm really curious. I want to hear from the brothers and young ladies. If you had your father in your life, how would he have handled the situation? If you have a man in your life, how would your man have handled this situation? Drop it down in the comments, man. Let's talk about it. We gonna go ahead and go on to the next one. That was crazy, bro.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.